Guys, half your battle with frosting is won by taking the time and sifting your powdered sugar. Get the clumps out. It makes it finer. Thank you, Aves. You'll be so happy you took the time to do this, I promise. The other trick to getting amazing frosting is in the butter. I pulled this out of the fridge about a half hour ago, so it's still cold to the touch, and I can just barely put a fingerprint in it, but it's not super soft. It's going to lighten up in texture in here. All right, look at that butter. It's lighter in texture and color, but it's still cold, which is going to actually be better for applying it onto the cake. It's when our frosting gets too warm and soft that it's just going to fall off the cake. And this will be your other best friend, heavy whipping cream. I'm adding just a couple tablespoons to this before I turn the mixer on nice and high. Look how yellow that is. We're going to get it nearly white, but this is my favorite brand too. You guys, tell me that's not gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Nearly white, not perfectly white, but so close to white. Can you just see how smooth and soft and silky that is? And we'll get out the air pockets by mixing it by hand with a wooden spoon. And the last step to the perfect American buttercream, get out the wooden spoon and mix it by hand for a couple minutes. You're going to work your bicep. You're welcome. There's a workout for you today. But seriously, mix it by hand for a couple minutes. It pushes out all the air bubbles and makes it so looks like I need to clarify that I use the paddle attachment, not the whisk attachment, which the whisk one, that's a tongue twister, works great for a Swiss meringue buttercream and whipping up your whipped cream. But for American buttercream, use the paddle.